Hello viewers, welcome to Vency Max and Life YouTube channel.
வணக்கம் வியூவர்ஸ், நான் உங்கள் வர்கீஸ். இன்று உங்களை இன்னொரு பதிவில் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். இன்று நாம் கிரீன் ஹவுஸில் டொமேட்டோ, குக்கும்பர் எப்படி வளர்க்கப்படுகிறது என்பதை உங்களுக்கு நான் விளக்க விரும்புகிறேன். நம்ம திருவள்ளுவர் சொல்லியிருக்கிறாரு, பொழுதுண்டு வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார், மற்றெல்லாம் தொழுதுண்டு பின் செல்பவர். I am proud that I am also working in agriculture company. ISO 9001 quality management system, ISO 22000 food safety management system, and organic European and Saudi standards, and global gap and Saudi gap standards. So I am the one managing all the certification. Hello, good morning viewers. We are standing at greenhouse nursery. We are going to see how the seeds are grown in this nursery. We are going to talk to Mr. Om. He is the greenhouse supervisor, so he can explain how the seeds are germinated here. Good morning, Mr.
Hello,
Om.
good morning. Good morning to you. Thank you so
How are
much
you?
for coming here.
Yeah.
Fine.
So, how do you grow the seeds?
So okay, let's go firstly. We are going to this always we growing organic product. Example, this is tomatoes, this cucumber, this tomato varieties.
Okay.
So let's one of the tray. This tray, and here is this is the our vermiculite, this soil, and this is the very light.
Okay.
And we should need for the very light soil. So first of all we here vermiculite, then after that we open this packet of seeds, then slowly this all place we keep here. After that
You
we
spread the seeds.
seeds. After that we again vermiculite, we hiding the seeds only very lightly. After that we keep paper here. Then we keep water. After that 3 days we keep like this, 3 to 4 days.
Every day you
watering this, yes. Should we need water every day. So after 3 days or 4 days it will become germination.
So this is a
example
germinated seed.
After that we have to shift this tree area one by one. Example, this
Where you will transfer?
Transfer here. Example, this one already we transfer.
Every hole you will put one plant.
One plant, yes, exactly. And this still small, and there is it will be big.
This how many days old?
Now almost this 2 weeks.
This one how many days old?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah. After 10 days we can transfer again in house.
After 10 days
After
you
10
will
days,
transfer. Means totally how many days from seeds to plant? How many days it will be here?
1 month.
1 month.
For the tomato is 1 month.
Okay.
Yeah. For cucumber 12 days or 14 days.
Okay.
For cucumber we can transfer planting in house.
Okay. So how do you maintain the temperature of this greenhouse?
Greenhouse, actually this nursery area, so we should keep temperature 16 up to 28.
16 to 28 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. So for the plant is this
There is
good climate.
cooling fan running there.
Yeah.
Cooling fan running there. And here there is cooling pad is there
Yes.
with water.
Yeah.
So when this wind is blowing from there
Yeah.
to this direction, so the wind is rotating, cooling air is rotating.
Yeah, rotate. This is summer for the summer season.
Okay.
If winter season we should start this.
This is
Diesel
heater.
Yeah.
Diesel heat. In the winter season, in order to maintain the temperature to 16 to 26 degree, you use this heater. Hello viewers, this is a tomato plant in the greenhouse. Mr. Om, how do you prepare this pot?
This first of all we perlite and potting soil mixing. Example potting soil there is 2 kilo or this perlite is 3 kilo mixing.
How do you irrigate the plants?
Plant irrigate there is we have a mixing of their big tank, and there is this computer system, and we irrigate here. Example like this. Every cup is there is a like this is giving water. This
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 drip
system,
irrigation.
drip irrigation.
So water is equally distributed.
Yeah, equally all cup is two.
Every pot has
yes.
two drip. Huh?
Two drip is.
Very nice system.
Yeah.
After how many days the plants will give fruit?
This when harvesting yani ripe coming is start, then continue. Today, if we are going to harvest today, so tomorrow stop. After tomorrow we can harvest.
How many months it will give yield?
At this time is 6 months, 5 to 6 months. Continue giving harvest any produce. So there is depending seeds and fertigation and this caring and disease. If there is a good condition, 6 to 8 can give produce. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for your explanation. Why do you use this light, Mr. Om?
This actually we use for insect. This Tuta absoluta. There is one insect. This for very dangerous for tomatoes. So if night time we this one keep on, there is all insect is coming here because of light. That's why light is here when this.
So night time
insect
it will
coming,
be on.
Yeah, light time is should be on.
Mr. Om, what is this?
This is the light of for insect for the Tuta absoluta. And night time is it should be on. When this on, then all insect is coming around here. Then it will be automatic fall down here on the water.
Okay.
So it will be die.
So naturally, we are
Naturally
controlling the pest.
yeah. This is
What
the,
is this? What is the variety?
This variety is clary variety. This is a cherry. We are calling to cherry tomato.
Cherry tomato.
Yeah, cherry is a small tomato.
This is used to as a table fruit.
This is the cucumber or this organic variety. There is a Pasandra variety, and this is become the ready to harvesting. This morning we already harvested, but this one is tomorrow morning will be ready. So little bit big will become this. So tomorrow can harvest.
Okay. This is
this-
used only for salad purpose.
This is the sweet pepper, yani capsicum. 3 varieties. There is a red, sweet pepper, capsicum, and this variety Imperio, red. This is the hot pepper or red chili, and this one variety is spores, yani organic variety. Always we are going growing, yani produce this variety.
This is our ordinary chili.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
The entire greenhouse climate control system is here. It is controlled by one computer. This is controlled by Mr. Prakash. He is our greenhouse supervisor. So could you show me one house temperature? Yeah. This is the
21.7 and 56 humidity. And this 8.5 humidity deficiency.
This is greenhouse number 1, 2, 3 like this.
Yeah. Last 15.
This is temperature,
Yes.
and this one is humidity.
Yeah.
So everything is controlled from this computer.
Yes.
Temperature, humidity,
Irrigation,
everything,
and
and fertilization also.
Yes, all.
So
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it and waiting for the next episode.